Air-fried stuffed crust pizza. First up, grab a wrap. You will need some mortgage renewal cheese strings. Put in place and roll the wrap around them, then run your cocktail stick through them to hold in place. Do all four to create a square. Next up, you will be needing some squirty tomato puree. Generously shoot your load all over and spread evenly. Slap on whatever toppings you like. I don't particularly care what shit you put on it because that's your business, but I went with mushrooms then cheese. I then sliced up some fresh tomatoes to throw on. Once you have done your toppings of choice, put an extra layer of cheese all over. Now that all the prep is done, push your four sticks deeper into the wrap so to fit in the air fryer. Unless you have a massive bucket, then you'll be okay to put it as it is. I set it at 150 degrees for 10 minutes. Press the magic button, sit back and wait for the magic to come. I've impressed myself. Yum yum, big thumbs up. Pizza 26 of 2023.